Alright, final video on making windows. Here we go. Last few little tricks of a window. Oh, I don't think I've gone back far enough. That's good. Oh no, that's right. Sorry, I'm making sure I don't screw up this drawing. Oh, I'm not saving it anyway. So, alright, last little trick of these windows. So we've gone through, well here's this one called arrow offset. This is a real easy one. Sometimes that arrow's in the way and it's a pain in the ass. You're like, get out of the way, arrow. So what you can do is actually you can go arrow offset and you can make it 250. Boom, and it goes out of the way. Right, 500. Boom, get out of the way. Right, so it's just a little trick that just helps with that, just to move that to where it should be. Sometimes I just found it's always in the way, so I think average is 100. There we go. And I think there's an option in the type of window. No, we're not worried about that. You'll also notice while we are in the type of window, every window has the exact same material. Every window now is aluminium, like the whole thing. Everything is aluminium, everything's glass, and everything's paint. You'll see we've got reveals. Reveals can be, they should be there. I think you can see it. Yep, there's the reveal. So you can change the reveal material and you can make it say paint. I think I've got a grey material there. Let's see what happens there. There we go. So the internal reveal works. Probably looks better with, I think I got one. And see where I'm changing the materials? I don't ever go into this. I always just type the word because it takes so long. You hit that and it's like ages to load, and then you got to scroll. I just know what things are called here, so I just go, I know it's called paint trim. I type in paint trim and I can go okay. And that looks a bit nicer. There we go. So that's the material. You can also change the brick seal material, which is, this is an instant, because sometimes you have brick walls and rendered walls, so it has to stay, like as opposed to a reveal, which once a client picks their trim in their house, it's normally the same trim throughout, whereas some walls externally are going to be brick or render, so you should have this as an instant parameter, which we do, and you can again just type the word render, move your mouse, and it will change it to render. You don't have to waste any time. There we go, beautiful looking render. And back we go. Okay, that's those ones. We've done that. Bulkhead cut we've done. Cut above window, that's the height. Yep, reveal, we've done that. Seal, window offset from the inside, that's the one to help when you have problems, errors with windows, to make sure that there, right, that point there is 70 mils, and that's what that represents, 70. So make sure that goes back to 35 if you're ever making cladding walls, or at least to 10 or something. Make sure that frame is sitting in there so you can see that move. There we go. That's an important one, and it was really annoying. And window sill cut, that's the one when you have a void underneath your window from making a cladding wall. And that's basically all the cool settings. Remember, they'll automatically make window schedules from now on. Again, I still have to finish all these windows. They're not all completed, but these are the things set up. So if any of those parameters don't work, if they ever freak out, can you please email me so I can fix them? And I'll fix them straight away, because I don't want to have errors spreading throughout the rest of the job. So this is the only job I'm using at the moment so I can fix all these errors. Like this window didn't have the sill visible, and now I fix that. So these are the things I want to fix. I don't want 100 jobs where I'm fixing a sill. So we'll get this right on this one, and hopefully we'll be right. Cool. Thanks.